Guys, today we are here to learn about what are the different kinds of joins in the SQL. So basically there are four types of joins in SQL, and those are left join, right join, inner join and outer join. So come, let's discuss about these kinds of joins. First of all, I have created two different kinds of tables here in this database. So if we execute, we can see here it is an employee table, and if we see the second table, select star from departments, and if we execute this, we will see our second table. Okay, so these joins basically work on a common column between two tables. So here in this tables we have a common column, and that is department ID. So for the left join we can write the SQL query as select star from employees as E. We are doing this just to give the name of an table, and we will do what kind of join. Here we will write this left join on department as D, and the most important part is yet to come. Here we should write on which common column. So here on we have a common column, and that is department ID. So we will write as E dot department ID equals to D dot department ID. And if we execute this, we can see that all the rows from the left table and only the matching rows from the right table has came here. So left join does what? It gives us all the records from the left table and only the matching rows from the right table. So this is what the left join does. And in the right join, it is just quite opposite to left join. So in the right join, we will do as, so in the right join, we will write the query as select star from the table employees as E, and doing the right joint of the department table as D. We are giving the name on similarly same the department ID of employee and equals to D dot department ID. So here if we execute this, we can see the 3 or 4 nulls in the beginning, since the left table doesn't contain any email ID, name, department ID and salary for the other things. And then it comes now the time for inner join. Inner join does the thing that it takes both the common columns and common rows between two tables. So we can see that select star from employees as E and inner join on departments as D on same common column. Department ID equals to D dot department ID. And if we execute this, we will see only the common columns between both the tables is been displayed here. Last but not the least, the outer join. So it is also known as full join, full outer join also. So we can write as select star from employees as E full outer join on departments as D, on the common column as E dot department ID equals to D dot department ID. And if we execute this, we will get the whole table, or we can say the whole table with no lost values. So here, this is what all the 4 joins do in the SQL. Thank you.